Alright, we're back. So we got a bunch of gravel on this driveway. We got it delivered, and I'm gonna show you what all that looks like and show you what we're gonna do with it. So here's the guy in the dump truck that I'd say did a pretty good job of spreading it out in his truck. Alright, so that's all the gravel up there, and I'm gonna show you back here what we got, what we're gonna do with this. Got a load of select fill. I mean, I'm assuming this is like a clay and sand, compacts really nice, fills in a lot of holes very easy. What we're gonna do with this, we're over here by the creek, we're gonna get this and spread this over the top of here. That's not even the exciting part. The exciting part is right up here. Let me show you what we got for today. Bobcat T770. This thing's a hoss. We rented this for the weekend. Spread all this gravel out. Cut the rest of the road that we're gonna put in. All the rocks spread. Turned out pretty decent for my first time ever in a skid steer. I'm gonna show you down over here by the creek where I spread the select fill. So all this right here I've been cutting up so we can lay more geotextile down and get some more gravel in here for the rest of the road. This big stump came out of the ground. It was right there. So the pile of select fill right here, moved it right up there. Kind of gave it a little easier ramp up that way. I still gotta get my shovel out here and kind of push some of this in here, and then we can compact it down. We had to cut this tree. It hung like right in the way, so I cut that down. This is another big stump. I'm trying to get it out with a skid steer, but I don't know, it ain't coming out very easy. So back here I've just been cutting the rest of the road, and that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, so it's my first time ever driving the skid steer, operating it, and it's got those foot pedals, which supposedly is like the hardest one to work. Their arms work on the left foot pedal, and then the bucket, tilt, and whatnot works on the right foot pedal. It's pretty much like a zero turn to drive it, like a lawnmower. They had like these controls, so all the videos I'd watched to learn had like the left hand was for like driving all around, and the right one works the bucket and arm. But this had foot pedals, to where the foot pedals you'll see in the video are how you operate the arms and the bucket. So it's a little difficult to get used to, but I got it down. And I just want to thank Chase Allen with Bobcat of Dallas over there in Cedar Hill for letting us rent that skid steer from him. And I mean, the delivery guy was on time. Everything was definitely on point. I highly recommend using them. So that's the inside. The best part about it, we got AC. And it blows cold. But yeah, so down here to this foot right here, now we're going to take you down the driveway that I cut out with the skid steer to the build site, where we're going to have our RV that we're going to stay in. We've decided to stay in an RV for about 1.5 to 2 years, save as much money as possible, and to get a house built first before we build a shop to stay in. And at that build site, bring in some dirt to build it up. We're going to put an awning, and that awning we're going to use for water catchment as our water source. So check it out. This is where the build site is going to be.
So that's where the RV is going to be. We're going to live there for a while. This next clip, we're going to go from the RV site back towards the front of the property, so you kind of get to see what our view is going to be every day when we're leaving the house. So we're kind of in the beginning stages of looking at RVs. We still have a couple months before we have to be out of where we are now. We're not going to buy anything until just before we have to leave and get it set up. If you've had an RV, if you've had a fifth wheel, if you've had a bumper pole, small travel trailer, let us know. Tell us what your thoughts are. If you've had multiple, give us the pros and cons of what you know about them. We're still learning, and any input would be appreciated.
Yeah, we want to know if you either like just go camping on the holidays or if you're a full-time RVer. Let us know your thoughts and what can help us on when we purchase our our RV. We are going to get a used one and probably just fix it up to fit our needs. But yeah, we want to know your feedback on that, and the reasons why and why not we should do certain things.